The first feature on the list is the global search bar. And this search bar is available at the top of the home page, and it allows you to search for not only people within the organization, but also actions that you can perform within the application. So rather than navigating through the different menus, you can simply type in a search term and then access that feature. So for example, if I wanted to access self-service procurement, I simply type in requisition, and then I can see the purchase requisitions option. And this takes me into the self-service procurement page where I can carry out all of my activities in order to request goods or services. Another key feature on the list are the Oracle Analytics infolets. And these infolets are available from the home page if you scroll down, and then you can see there is the analytics section here. And these infolets are interactive box-shaped containers that display key information, allowing users and managers to quickly consume and act upon the data. So in this example, I am logged in as a payables specialist, and we can see that from the payables perspective, if I wanted to gain a quick insight into PO data to see how much spend has been allocated to purchase orders and how much of that cost does not have a purchase order raised against it, then I can quickly see the figures here. And this info tile gives me an idea as to which invoices have been raised without a purchase order. And we have the play button, so I can see how the data changes over time. And if I wanted to see a breakdown of the figures which make up these amounts, then I can simply click on a section of the bar graph. And this takes me into a detailed report with some summary information, along with a detailed breakdown by invoice number. And this information can be exported into Excel if you wanted to store the report to use later. Another key feature on the list, and an important one for me, is Oracle Digital Assistant. And this can be accessed from the home page if we navigate down to the chat icon. And if we click on the icon, then we have access to various self-service activities. One important activity which is beneficial for most employees is creating an expense claim. And I can simply create an expense item directly from a receipt by typing in some conversational text. For example, create expense item from receipt. And then after ODA has responded, I can click on the attachment icon in order to attach my receipt. And then I can now categorize my receipt and then choose create.